Welcome to Science for 50. Please open your books and notebooks. Today we're going to talk about what are the two major groups of plants. Plants are classified just like animals. Remember that animals have different classifications, like mammals, fish, and vertebrates. Plants can be classified in many ways. In this case, we will see two large groups. Copy on your notebook. Non-vascular plants. This means that these plants do not possess tubes. They grow close to the ground, absorb water and nutrients directly through cells. They are very small, live in damp places. These plants do not have roots, stems, or leaves. Examples: livermort, moss, hornwort. Copy on your notebook. Because these plants don't have flowers or seeds to reproduce, they use spores. They have structures that release spores. Spores travel in the air until they land in a place that has enough water. If the conditions are correct, the spores develop into a new adult plant. This plant grows to develop more spores that continue the cycle. Now, we're going to see a bigger classification. Vascular plants. Vascular plants are plants with tubes. From this type, we have two categories. 1. Seedless plants. These plants reproduce by spore, no seeds. Just like non-vascular, they reproduce using spores. However, the difference is that these plants have roots, stems, and leaves. Examples: fern and horsetail. Copy on your notebook. Now, type 2. Seed plants. These plants produce by seeds. These plants use seeds to reproduce. They have flowers or structures similar to flowers that produce seeds. Copy on your notebook. The vascular system in vascular plants is mainly because they possess xylem and phloem. Xylem is a tube that transports water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves, and phloem transport sugar or food produced in the leaves to the other parts of the plant, like the roots, stems. You can see here, the xylem only has one direction. However, the phloem has two ways. The vascular reproduction of ferns or vascular plants that do not have seeds It's done using spore. A zygote grows into a fern that produces spore cases. The spore cases are released in the air. The spores grow into small, heart-shaped plants, the sexual state of the fern life cycle. The heart-shaped plants produce male and female cells which unite to form a zygote, and discontinue the production of the vascular plants that don't have seeds. That's all for today. See you next time.